You might have heard that Phantom once flipped Coinbase in the App Store ranking.
That's just unacceptable.
And yes, that did happen in late 2024.
Okay.
But why did Phantom become the wallet everyone's suddenly downloading? Well, it's because Phantom has evolved into much more than just a Solana wallet. Today, it's all-in-one crypto toolkit, whether you're swapping tokens, staking your SOL, or bridging assets across blockchains. Hi, it's Lamia, and today I'll guide you through how to set up Phantom, secure it properly, and start using its key features. Let's hit it. You will need to download Phantom, and this part is really important. Always go directly to the website, official website, phantom.com or phantom.app. There are a lot of fake sites and extensions out there designed to steal your funds, so never download from random links. Once you're on the official site, click download in the top right. Then choose your Phantom Chrome, Firefox, Brave or Edge if you're on a desktop, or install the app on iOS or Android. In just few seconds, the Phantom extension or app will be ready. Click Phantom icon and you will be promoted to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. Choose create new wallet, set up a strong password, then Phantom gives you a secret recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key. Write it down, store it offline, never share it, never lose it, and never take screenshot of it. If you lose it, you lose your funds. Once that's secured, your wallet is ready. Now you will want to add some crypto. Option 1, buy directly in Phantom using provider like MoonPay or Coinbase Pay. And option 2, deposit from another wallet or exchange. Click deposit, copy your wallet address or scan the QR code and send funds to it. Your assets will appear right in Phantom. To send crypto, click send. Paste the recipient address, enter the amount and confirm. Double check the details every time. Phantom also has a swap tab for quick token trade. And with the cross-chain swapper, you can bridge between Solana, Ethereum and Polygon directly inside the wallet. Phantom has a few more powerful tools. Ledger support if you want to connect a hardware wallet. Solana-only mode to keep your wallet clean and focused. And on mobile camera mint, which lets you turn photo or video into NFTs in seconds. And that's Phantom in 2025. Fast, simple, and one of the most popular wallets in crypto. If you're already using Phantom wallet, what's your favorite feature? Drop it in the comment below. I'd love to know. And if you want to see my full guide to the best Solana wallet in 2025, I'll link that at the end of this video and in the description. I'm Lamia, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.